We have harnessed the power of the atom. Ladies and gentlemen, the Enron egg. The world's first micronuclear reactor for residential suburban use.
I called it like 7 or 10 years ago that this was going to happen. I noticed some like 10 years ago that there was a patent submitted for a personal nuclear reactor for homes that was to be buried in the backyard and be refueled every 10 years with uranium fuel rods and a bunch of other stuff that I didn't quite understand at the time. How nuclear energy works is that at a power plant, they have a giant nuclear reactor that is fed water, usually from a river or some other water source. And in that reactor are a bunch of fuel rods that are filled up with some sort of radioactive fuel. That radioactive fuel is released into the reactor, creates nuclear fission, which superheats the water, creating steam, and the steam spins turbines to generate the power to your house. It's one of the cleanest ways considered to make energy. And believe it or not, there's a lot of welding jobs in that industry too. I've been in the energy industry, specifically oil and gas, for most of my career. And my father has been in the nuclear industry for his entire career. So I've been watching this stuff for a while. Now let's just hope that this Enron company doesn't end up like Enron did some 20 years ago.